Aruti wira thukuru-ini wa University wa Eldoret nimatabanirie mururungano wa thayu magitetia urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ni kwaga gukinyaniria ngirimiti iria mekiranire kirore na gutuika matinetikirio kuingira thukuru-ini uyu. Aruti wira aya maugite kuri na uiguano mekiranire mwaka wa 2017-2021 wigie marihi undu uria maugite nduri wahingio nginyagia umuthi uyu.
We find the insubordinate staffs are the ones who are acting as secretaries, but they're not being given that money. We are really being hurt. We are not happy. We need a change. We want to talk to the council.
It is not the lack of money. It is the money which has to be executed in an orderly manner as per the CPA. Get it right.
Mwena-ini wao kanjo ya urugamiriri wa university yugite nirikitie kuhitukia kigina kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 73 gatagati-ini ka milioni 220 iri marihi maruti wira university-ini ino toria maiguithanirie.
Implementation of the CBA was being done in part, and the reason why it was not in the salaries as is being demanded by the union leaders is because of the lack of enough cash.
Salaries of workers should be implemented forever. That's what we are saying. And this university has been so peaceful. I think even the Vice Chancellor would know that we have lived in peace for all those years since she came.
Ona gukiri uguo aruti wira aya maugite maricokereria Mihang'o yao riria urugamiriri uyu uritikira kuhingia kiriko. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.